Hey guys, Stephen Feathers here, back in the garage. Today we're looking at N-FAB's EpYx Steps, and with N-FAB we have Eric. How you doing, Eric?
Good, how are you?
Doing fantastic. So Eric, today we want to cover kind of about the product for our audience, the features and benefits of course, so how the product's made, kind of the features that it gives us, but also we'll talk about the installation difficulty and talk about how easy or how difficult it is to install at home. So without further ado, Eric, tell us about the product itself, give us the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, so this is our all new N-FAB EpYx Step. So it has a modern angular design, just fits real and high and tight to the body for a very clean and modern look. Our traditional 3-inch round main tube, those look really nice, but some people wanted that updated look. This is what that is. Right,
and I think one of the best compliments you can get is when the owner of the vehicle loves the bars, and the owner of this vehicle, in fact, does love them. So that's a great compliment that he could give you there. Now, with that said, what about the configurations? What kind of configurations do you offer? And maybe some finishes too.
Yeah, so these are available in cab length configurations, and they come with in a black textured finish over E-coat primer. Because of that primer, obviously, we're able to offer a 5-year finish warranty.
Awesome, that's perfect. Now, with that said, let's get on to the installation and talk about how easy, in this case, it is for the guys at home. And what we like to do is talk about for the person that's never installed anything, we'll just assume that, how hard on a scale of 1 to 10 do you think this is going to be to install, but also give us a timeline. How long will this take for that person to install this to?
Yeah, I would probably rate it at a 2 or 3, something like that. It's probably about a 15 to 20, 25 minute installation at the most if you've never done one before. The installation is made very easy on these. They do come with modular bracket system, but so that means the steps come in one box with the brackets and the hardware, as a kit item. Yeah. So they do install very easy, like I said, 15 to 20 minutes max.
Perfect. Now with that said, on a scale of 1 to 10, if he gives it a 2, we think you can install this very easily on your own without any problems. But if you have any questions or hesitations doing this yourself, check below. We'll have a dealer locator there so you can find a dealer in your area who's more than happy to make this install happen for you. Okay guys, let's say a wrap on N-FAB's EpYx Steps. Before we go though, Eric, thank you for coming in today.
Thank you.
This has been a great pleasure. Now guys at home, if you have any questions or comments about the product, leave those in the comments below. We're happy to address those for you there. If you just want more details, also check below in the description. We'll have a part number, and again, that dealer locator, so you can find this product at a dealer near you. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications anytime we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.